Morning again. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is still June the 27th. It's still about 80 degrees, 89 when the sun comes out, but that's life. Okay, we're now going to look at number 405. It's supposed to have an unmarked queen and eggs. So what we're going to do is get me a one-handed queen marker. I cut the thumb there, split it around here, and it kind of doesn't have any feeling in it much anymore. So we have to do this. Take their shell off. Take their feeder off. See no bugs yet. It has 4 frames instead of 5, so I need to get another frame put in this one. This frame here has pollen, nectar. The side over here doesn't have much of anything. But here we have our bees. We have pollen and nectar all mixed into down here. Down here there's nothing yet because that's grown brood, so they don't figure they need it yet. But they're getting a little nectar and pollen from somewhere, but I'd rather give them a little something here to where they know they got it. And no, it does not make welfare bees out of bees. It keeps them alive. We've been having some strange weather here. During our spring season, we didn't get any rain, so we didn't get any honey yet so far. This one right here, same thing on both sides. This is brood, worker brood. There's eggs and larvae around in here and over here. A little bit of nectar up here, and it's the same thing on the other side. What they do on one side, they do on the other side. See where that brood is? Same thing on that side. What we may do is get us a frame of brood. There's a little unmarked queen right there. She's right here right now. Right there. She went over and she's now right over here. So what we're going to do is mark her. Take our one-handed marking tool, put her in there very carefully. If you can't hurt the queen, you can cut their heads off, cut the feet off, or trap them. We're going to put that one back in there. Take my $2.79 Walmart paint pen. Get the queen where she's up there like that, where I can see a little place on the back of her head. There's a word for that. Put it back down. Now she's marked. What do you mark them, Sam? I'm getting old. I can't see all these things. Put it there and let it dry for a couple of seconds. Because if you mark them, worker bees will sometimes try to get that paint off, and over a period of time they will. Okay, that one is nectar, or you're gonna stop saying that's nectar, because we got, you see a little bit of dandelions and daisies around here. We don't have much in the flowering tree things anymore because it hasn't rained. Supposed to rain again. People get rain across the street from us, but we don't get any. If we put that down like that, we make sure we know where the queen is. We open this up. Make sure you don't squish the queen. And there she is. Back down there. That back down there. Put your top back on there. Now this queen cage right here will have to be descented. You descent it with just washing it off with water and putting it somewhere else. I have about 10 of these laying around here somewhere in the trailer or in the other trailer, and I have to change them every time. So I put them somewhere where I know where they're at, so I know which ones to use next, which ones not to use. And we have a broken brick here, which you put one down, it means there's an egg queen cell in there. You put two, that means you got more than one in there. Seeing how I don't have a full one, we put this here like that. This is my method. You put them on like that, and that way when you get a full brick you can do it. This one, when a queen is a virgin or just hatched, I stick this off the edge, and then when she comes back, she's laying eggs, I put it on like that so I know there's a queen in there, and then I just mark them when I get around to them. But anyway, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and give us a thumbs up or a comment and subscribe. Leave us a thumbs up even if you don't leave a comment and stuff like that. We appreciate it. Bye bye.